and we are here at River Breeze RV Resort in Ehrenberg, Arizona. All the sites are grass. They're actually pretty full right now. We've got a few spots over here for overnighters. It's a great campground. We've stayed here before. That's a neighbor. He's waving at me over there. We've stayed here before. It's a great campground. They've got big sites, big pull-throughs. You can get any size rig in here. We've got big toy haulers, big solitudes, big Montanas in here. And real clean facilities. Very nice. They've got a really nice pool up here. We've got a nice laundry room. Got bathrooms and showers and a rec room. Currently the rec room is closed due to the COVID thing, but I know the laundry room's open. I'm pretty sure the showers are open too here. We'll go take a look. There's a building with the men's and women's restrooms and showers. I forgot to bring the code. Can't get in. In the park, they do have some teeny homes. People can buy these and live here year-round in this park. Kind of neat. And then, of course, everybody's got their toys parked all over. Because, boy, there is a lot to do out here if you have toys. Boats and ATVs. And down here by the river, they've got a dog run, a big grassy area here with some horseshoe pits. They've got a nice big dog run here. They do supply poop bags and a place to throw it. So it's really nice. Nice big dog run, all grass. All this nice big grassy area here. They've got horseshoe pits. And you can see the river there in the background. And they have a boat launch here too for guests. Nice area down here by the river. Nice gravel beach here where you can go swimming if you want to. And they do have this play structure here right behind us. So if you do have kids, bring them on down. One of the nice things about this park is that you're only 20 miles from Quartzsite. So in January, when the big tent goes up and they have the big sale over there with the RVs, easy drive from here over to Quartzsite. Of course, this park is already booked up for January and February. Pretty nice. We are at the Flying J, and we are going to take Bob's sand rail out and go have some fun out in the sand out here today, out in the desert. He needs to fuel it up first, get it out of the trailer. So we'll be getting going here in just a few minutes. So what we have here is an Ecotech 2.2 liter engine that's turbocharged. It's pushing about 400 horsepower. We're gonna go out and have some fun today. And here we go. Bob says there's a problem with the turbo. He's checking it out.
This thing's done.
Is it done?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
It ain't making no food.
Oh.
I think the turbo's fucking done.
Oh no. We have stopped here at the Granite Mountain Hotshots Memorial. This is a memorial for 19 firefighters who lost their lives out here in a wildfire. And just off the highway here, Highway 89 in Arizona. They have a nice memorial here. Here are the 19 hotshots who lost their lives. The story about them. Picture of them. This is a tree they saved. This was on June 19th, 2013. The Granite Mountain Hotshots saved an ancient world record alligator juniper from the Dosi fire that raged nearby in the Prescott National Forest. And then here's the timeline of the fire that they died in. There's a 3.5 mile hike you can take to where they actually had fallen. And here's a map. It shows where we are here. And this trail winds out here for 3.5 miles. And there's the site. And they actually had fallen. There's the beginning of the trail right here. They do have a memorial statue here of a hotshot. Very nice memorial they put together here for these guys. Very solemn. They do have a geocache here, right on the stairs at the beginning of the trail. We've left a little angel in the box. I'm tying a ribbon around it.
There you go. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Yeah. Okay.
We're up here on Highway 89 in Arizona. Just left the Hotshots Memorial. What a view.